Cheers to fine wife. Cheers to good husband. Cheers to what again? Cheers to millions of subscribers. Cheers to billions and trillions of views. Cheers to no fake friends. Cheers to no bad friends. Most importantly, cheers to the fear of God. Wadima. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shelle. Again a name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri. Welcome to my channel. No. So currently, I'm on my way to a Palmwine joint. I'm on my way to a Palmwine joint. Actually, I discovered that place yesterday. I was going somewhere and I was supposed to meet up with someone at that particular point where the Palmwine joint was, and the person I was supposed to meet up with was not yet there, so I had to go sit down and wait. I actually thought it's a place where they just sell pork, that's pig meat. I didn't know they were selling palmy until some people came to buy palmy, and I was like, ooh, wow, because I've been looking for a Palmwine spot since I've been intending filming a video like this, like going to a Palmwine spot since I'm in Igbo land, and Palmwine is a very, 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 very welcome drink in Igbo land, although women are actually not supposed to be taking it in public. I don't know if it's a taboo, but most people just see you as loose. If you just go to a Palmwine joint alone, you're not going with a man or with anybody, you're just going alone. But you know, I don't care. I have to bring premium content your way. So I'm on my way to that Palmwine joint, and I want you guys to come along with me. If any lay men at this vlog, I don't need to talk too much, just stay tuned. Good evening.
Let me touch me, kiss.
Most X Empire.
Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen. Jerusalem, Ikayana.
My friend, good evening. I've arrived. So guys, I'm here. Can you do it? And one without color. Which one is sweeter? Which one is better? Should we have for me? Because if we don't have for me, that means I did not come to do anything. So guys, I'm here, and this is the place that Aghaukwu market. The first place you see, the first shop you see across. So she has some seats here. People are not really here because this is around past 4, a bit to 5. I came early, and I know why I came early, so I'll be free to vlog. So, ego looking a row of stick. Of stick ego 300. Makagin is it? So on a stick in area. Na area 1 1. When again here, now by go inside. So guys, I want to go inside. I will not enter from here. I will go and turn. In fact, let's be going together. Anything I'm saying, let's be doing it together. So this is Aghaukwu market. I'm following here to enter. They sell food here. Ew, Geo Valley. So I've arrived. I'm going to sit down here. Yes, this place is perfect. So, I gave ofu ke stick ahụ. Just give me ke stick ahụ na coming program. Oh my God, you can see this. Let me take this video for this hand. You guys are not seeing this. Can you see this plate? There's a toothpick and this is the palmy. It looks like normal bottle water. I'm going to shake it very well. So, let me put my bag on the floor. It's not needed here. Just going to turn it now and taste it so that you guys can understand. Okay, I have to open it carefully. Go happy one. Okay, let me open it. So when opening it, you have to open it gently like this. Okay, it did not sound too much. So let's pour this now. Tasting time, blessing time. Okay. Time to taste it. This is paradise. Oh my god, this is so nice. God. Wow. And it's very, very cold, like very, very cold. So let me taste the pork now. Can't be surprised. You can't rock ball. This is reminding me of our shop in the village. Or do you watch my masquerade vlog, my New Year vlog? That day we went out. This is pure enjoyment, pure enjoyment. Life is good. Pig meat. Very, very sweet. It's sweeter than chicken, sweeter than goat meat, sweeter than beef. It's so sweet. And that's why people that sell annuals, they get a lot of money. Pork is too sweet. And this 300 naira pork is so much. When I was younger, I used to buy it a lot. I used to be so obsessed with it. But as time went on, I stopped eating because they're selling the ones with so much color and fat. But this one has meat more than fat. So nice. Guys, can you see my problem with Palmwine? See flies everywhere. They're not perching all over. They like Palmwine, so they will not allow me to enjoy my enjoy in peace. Sis, only inside this area without this Palmwine. Okay. Is he a man or a woman? Where does he bring it from? Ngopala. Okay, it's true. Ngopala is in Imo State now. Ngopala no side in the same number now. So they bring it from Ngopala. Oh God. Fly. Ngopala is a local government in Imo State. Oh my God, my meat fell down on the floor, but you know what? I've picked it. Hey, que sai da nudinha? Oh, mulher. Camara tu sei do céu. Oh, mulher. Anamiri. So guys, at this point, I'm not going to lie. I'm already getting tipsy, like really, really tipsy. And I'm still drinking more. The thing is that when I'm done with this thing, if I feel I'm too tipsy, I'm going to sit here for like an hour. I'll just start editing the video here, because I don't know if I can walk home with the way I'm feeling. I'm not drunk, I'm just tipsy. I'm serious, I'm not drunk. I know what I'm saying. And this is the bottle, this is what is remaining, and this is what's inside the cup. So I can say 2/3 of the bottle got me tipsy. Yeah, 2/3 of the content of this bottle got me tipsy. I know I'm lightheaded, and that's why I don't like alcohol. But Palmwine, Star Radler, Smirnoff of Ice, they're an exception. Those ones are alcoholic juices. You understand? Juice went through alcohol. I'm going to carry one bottle home as souvenir. It might be gote Palmwine. Oh my god, gote the Palmwine. Maybe mana oge ta aka bifi be bozo. Gote the Palmwine. Igbara kalama mba. Ikwesiri iji souvenir la. O kwesiri ekwesi bụrụkwa ihe eziri. Okay guys, so that's just going to be it for this vlog. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that if you're in Owerri and you ask your friends and they don't know where they sell palmy, you are going to find your way to Akwakuma Market, the junction Gongon. There's a place where they sell pork, and when you get to this place they sell palm wine. Here you are going to have the fun of your life. It doesn't look so elaborate as you saw in this video. It's not an elaborate place, but it's a really nice place. I had fun here just now, and I hope you have fun too whenever you visit my beautiful city. So I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. It's still your favorite baby girl, your favorite Achalugo, your favorite Apunam, Chidera Giselle on the microphone, and bye. Kiss. Love you. Good life.